Good morning, student. Today we will study about linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Today we shall study about linear equation in two variables. From very starting, we shall study about linear equation in two variables. Now, first of all, you must know what is equation. Equation is the statement of equality. It is the statement of equality. Now, what is linear equation then? Linear equation means the equation having degree 1. Linear equation having degree 1. Now the next question arises is that what is degree? What is degree? Degree is the highest power of variable. Highest power of variable. Degree is the highest power of variable. Now, the next thing is, what is variable? The next thing is, what is variable? Variables are the quantities which varies. Variables are the quantities which varies. Now, if you are not getting the concept of variable, then I am telling you what is variable now. I will try to make it clear about the concept of variable. Suppose you went to market and you purchased something. Something means you purchased 2 apples and 3 mangoes. You purchased 2 apples and 3 mangoes. Now, what you purchased? You purchased 2 apples and 3 mangoes. This is equation or expression? This is expression. But if you will say that you purchased 2 apples and 3 mangoes at rupees 25, then this is a equation. And what type of equation is it? It is a linear equation in two variables. Here the variables are apples and mango, and the constant are 2, 3 and 25. Now, why we are telling that apple and mangoes are variable? Because if I have told you to bring 2 apples and 3 mangoes, and I have given you only 25 That means in the amount of 25 you have to draw out 2 apple and 3 mangoes, and it depends on yourself that which type of apple and which type of mango you will purchase depending on the market. But it is constant that at the rupees of 25 you have to bring only 2 apple and 3 mangoes. That is 2, 3 and 25 are constant here. After this, if 2 linear equations in 2 variables are given, then what we have to do is that if 2 equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and simultaneously the second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the 2 linear equations in 2 variables, and variables are x, y, and constant a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, and all a1, b1 are non-zero. Now, 2 things are there. If we have 2 equations, then how we will find that whether this equation have one solution, have so many solutions, or no solution. In the first case, if 2 equations have only one solution, that is unique solution. In case of unique solution, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That is 2 equation. If this is a graph of equation and this is the another graph of equation intersecting at one point, that is one solution. Similarly, if the equations have so many solutions, in case a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, that means 2 lines are coincide to each other. In one solution, line intersect at a point. In many solution, lines coincide each other. That is, line superimpose each other. Now, other case is that if 2 equations having no any solution, then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Graphically, if 2 lines are parallel, that means they are not having any common point, so that they have no any solution. If 2 lines have any solution, then it is called consistence. If 2 lines having any solution, then it is called consistence. And if 2 lines are having no any solution, that is called inconsistent. It is called inconsistent. It is called inconsistent. You can see it. Now one more thing you have to learn what is zeros or roots of equation. A real number alpha is said to be 0 of fx if alpha is equal to 0. A real number alpha is said to 0 of fx if f alpha is equal to 0. That means 2 is 0 or roots of x plus 2 if f minus 2 equal to 0. F minus 2. F minus 2 means x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So minus 2 is the 0 of x plus 2 if f minus 2 equal to 0. Putting the value of x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0, that is minus 2 is the 0 or root of x plus 2. Next day we shall discuss about different things. No more today.